How to create prompts in Bard. What's up, everyone? I'm going to teach you how to create prompts in Bard. Bard is a powerful AI tool that can help you with a variety of tasks, from writing content to generating ideas. But how do you get the most out of it? That's what I'm going to show you today. What is a prompt? A prompt is a short instruction that tells Bard what you want it to do. For example, a prompt could be, write me a blog post about the benefits of using Bard. Or it could be, generate a list of 10 ideas for my next marketing campaign. How to create a prompt. To create a prompt, start by thinking about what you want Bard to do. What kind of content do you want it to generate? What kind of information do you need from it? Once you know what you want, start writing your prompt. Here are a few tips for creating effective prompts. Be clear and concise. The more specific you are, the better the results you'll get. Use keywords. This will help Bard understand what you're looking for. Experiment with different prompts. Sometimes, a simple prompt will get the job done, while other times you'll need to be more specific. Examples of prompts. Write me a blog post about the benefits of using Bard. Generate a list of 10 ideas for my next marketing campaign. Create a script for a 30-second commercial. Write a poem about love. Translate this text into Spanish. Summarize this article in 100 words. So those are a few tips on how to create prompts in Bard. I hope you found them helpful. Thanks for watching.